Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to set your PIN for your credit card in Citibank. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Citibank website right here, citi.com if you're not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this homepage right here. If you're on your mobile phone, just go ahead and download and open up the Citibank application. And once you have done so, now we can get started. So the first thing we need to do is to log into our Citibank account. So if you do not already have an account, what you can do is open an account, or if you have one but just haven't activated online, you can use the activate button right here. So once you have set up your account and now you can get going, you want to log in, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by the home page. The home page is going to be your dashboard where you can take a look at your balance, all your payments due, and so on. All of that is going to be available from right here, and now we can get started. So here we have this article showing us how to generate our Citibank credit card PIN via multiple options. We have the option via ATM, where you want to enter in your Citibank credit card in the ATM machine, select language, and then enter your credit card number and your date of birth. On your registered mobile number, you're going to receive a one-time password, and then you want to key in that one-time password, and then you want to enter in the PIN of your choice. Like that, you're going to go and be able to set up the PIN for your card on an ATM. But if you want to do it via internet banking, this is how we can do so. You want to go into the credit card section and you want to click to change PIN. So once you're logged in, just like I have just showed you, you want to go into settings, open up your credit card section and change PIN. Then you're going to receive the one-time password on your registered mobile number, and then you're going to enter in that password and set a new 4-digit PIN of your choice that you're going to go and be able to use. So all of that is going to be available right here from the credit card section, so you can go ahead and get started with it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.